Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we are going to do this rosy colored eye look using the Rosé in the Air palette by Wet n Wild. But before we get started, my name is Alejandra, and on this channel, I bring you guys products that simplify your beauty routine or solve any beauty concerns. And if you guys are a product junkie just like I am, please consider subscribing and join the crew. Let's just get started with the video. Touching up my brows here. I usually do my eyebrows off camera because it's hard for me to do them in front of the camera. I know I'm not the only one. Brows are just, they're a task. I'm gonna go ahead and use this as an eye primer. This is the Maybelline Better Skin Concealer. Just gonna put that all over my lids, blend it out with a beauty sponge. And I'm going to dip my brush into this shade just to set that concealer. I'm going to take the top transition shade and place that on my crease and a little bit above. So it's actually above the crease. We're just going to place this color here so that we have something that helps the other colors blend together. Something I've noticed with these Wet n Wild palettes is that the transition shades have a lot of fallout. So if you don't like that, you might not like these new transition shades. But they seem to blend out really nice. I'm gonna go into this shade right here using the same brush. This is just like a fluffy brush. I don't know exactly where I got it from, but if you have something that looks like this, that's gonna help you out to blend in the colors. And I'm applying this color just below the color that we just placed. So this is a little bit closer to the crease. So this pink shade also does have a bit of a fallout, but I've heard that the Modern Renaissance palette also has fallout, so I wouldn't really, it's not a deal breaker. A lot of people like that palette as well, and like I said, these colors are blending really nice. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This is like a brick red color. And I'm going to go a little lower with this color. And staying within the outer V. Using my finger, I'm going to go into this shimmer shade right there, and I'm going to place it on my eyelid. I'm going to take this brush. This is the Wet n Wild P15 brush. I'm going to dip my shadow into this pink shade right here, and I'm going to concentrate this just on the outer V. I'm going to pack that color on. And slowly blend it out into the inner corner of the eye, but trying to keep it concentrated mainly on the outer corner. If you want to go back with a fluffier brush and blend it out a little bit, you can do that, but try and keep it mainly on this outer corner. Getting a little bit more on my eye brush. And going back with this brush and then cleaning that out. I'm gonna use this orange shade up here and place this color above all the colors that we just placed. and I'm blending it out. I'm going to take the AOA Studio eyeliner brush and I'm going to use the usual lacquer liner by L'Oreal. I'm going to use a cleansing wipe to fix any mistakes that I did with the eyeliner. It's easier to clean up a mistake when you're done with both eyes versus spending all your energy and time cleaning up one and then trying to, match it to the next one. So just line both eyes, and when you're done, go ahead and clean it and then slowly look at both of them just to make sure that they're even. So that's it for the eyes for now. I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation and then I'll be right back. So for foundation, I use the Rimmel Lasting Finish foundation. I use the shade True Beige and set my under eyes with the AOA powder, and then the rest of my face I use the NYX No Filter powder. This powder is amazing, you guys. If you guys haven't tried this powder, go and check it out. I hope they still have it available because this is an amazing powder. I can make a whole video out of this powder. Go try it out. So for bronzer, I'm going to use the Malibu Glitz bronzing powder that I've been using. I'm going to use the Sonia Kashuk brush. A little bit here. Just a little bit on the highest point of my forehead. For blush, I'm taking the Essence Satin Coral blush. Use the Morphe M527. Since we're staying with rosy colors on the eye, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. This is in Precious Petals. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it has a little bit of a rose gold shade, so we'll use that to highlight on our face. Oh, this highlight. Maybe a little too much. Blend it out. Alright, I'm going to curl my lashes a little bit and then we're going to put mascara on. I'm just using a Tweezerman eyelash curler. And for mascara, I'm going to use the Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. Coat those lashes. To finish this look, I'm going to go back into the palette and I am going to take the e.l.f. C brush and I'm going to use their lightest shade and then combine it with the shimmer shade. We're going to use that as our brow bone highlight. Up here. And then taking the shimmer shade alone, I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to apply it on the inner corner of the eye. Same thing on this eye. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and take the Skinny Mascara from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna coat my bottom lashes with this, and then we'll put some lip gloss, and we will have completed this look. I'm gonna use my favorite, the Buxom Lip Cream in the color Dolly. I'm just gonna put a generous amount on my lips. This is the completed look. This is a very girly eyeshadow look, and the face is very nice and glowy. I hope you guys like this look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.